Hi, this is the Galaxy A24 and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. Let's first open the box. So this is the place for our device, and let's check the accessories. This is the SIM ejector, the information about the IMEI numbers, and let's check this paper box. So here we got the quick start guide and the USB Type-C cable. So that's it, that's all of the box accessories with which our device comes. Unfortunately, we have not here any charger bricks, the headphones and the protective case, so you should buy all of these accessories separately. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.